Good afternoon, welcome back. My name is Rob Weston and I'm here at Porsche Bend offering a glimpse at the 2022 Porsche Carrera S I have behind me. It is an exclusive manufacturer car. It's got wonderful new options that we don't always see in the showrooms that are usually reserved for custom ordered efforts, and I wanted to make sure that you had an opportunity to view a few of those very special additional options we can get on a custom Carrera. One of the first features I'd like to highlight is the LED matrix headlight system. And here we have the embossed headrests. I'm a huge fan of this particular exclusive manufacturer option. I think it is a great way to bring out some of the textures and colors of the interior. It goes again nicely with the stitching that we've got offered here. So here we have the central tachometer and the Sport Chrono dials in white to give it some wonderful contrast. I think it's a wonderful choice to tie in with the lighter contrasting stitching that we have all over this car. Definitely a refined choice when you're customizing a new Porsche. On the rear of the car, I want to show you 3 or 4 really nice exclusive manufacturer's options, starting with the very nicely detailed painted vertical slats on the engine cover to match the paint that we have on the exterior of the vehicle. We'll see the gloss black Porsche logo. We also opted to paint the model designation in the color match. It's there, it's textured, it's noticeable, but it creates nice, subtle, classy effect. You'll also see in the back clear tail lights. That's a nice upgrade. I do that often on our custom builds. Working our way to the right front where we have the gas cover and this wonderful forged aluminum and embossed Porsche gas cap cover. It's a nice touch, it's very affordable, but it's an immediate indicator that the vehicle has been custom built and not just a standard car for a dealer's showroom. Thanks again for taking a look at this beautiful exclusive design 911 Carrera S. We appreciate your time and certainly hope that you'll have an opportunity someday to custom order a beautiful new Porsche for yourself.
KENDALL. Let's start something great.